Qingdao Kiju Group, professional manufacturer of steel plate pretreatment lines, focused on serving the shipbuilding industry. We have manufactured large-scale steel plate pretreatment lines integrating preheating, shot blasting, automatic painting and drying for well-known domestic and foreign enterprises, including CSSC, China Merchants Shipbuilding, Bohai Heavy Industry, Hyundai, Samsung and Kawasaki. Our products have won unanimous praise from customers at home and abroad.